Are you looking for a way to share your notes with close friends on Instagram? In this short tutorial, I will show you step by step how to easily and securely share your notes with only those closest to you. After watching this video, you'll learn how to manage who can see your notes and protect yourself from online privacy threats. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this screen, at the top left, you'll see your profile picture with a plus sign that says, "Leave a note." So go ahead and tap on that. And now you can type anything that you like. After that, right under Share With, you have two different options. You can choose to share it with followers you follow back or with close friends. Simply tap on Close Friends. And then tap on Share, at the top right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.